Good morning, my dear students. Again, welcome you all into this online class. And here the topic that we will discuss today is oxidizing agent, reducing agent, and neutralization agent. Listen, our previous topic was oxidation and reduction. I have already told you oxidation means adding of oxygen or non-metallic substances. Or in second word, we can say removing of hydrogen or metallic substances. Means either we add oxygen or we add any non-metallic substances. Non-metallic means we can say hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, or any of the non-metals. Okay? Or in second words we can say if we add hydrogen or any metals, then what we are doing? Oxidizing. Oxidation process takes place in the presence of oxygen, or it takes place either we add oxygen or we remove the hydrogen. Clear? Same, if we are talking about reduction. In reduction, what we do? In reduction, we add hydrogen or any metals. Otherwise, we just remove the oxygen or any non-metals. Clear? So here the topic that we will discuss is oxidizing agent. So the first topic, what is agent? Agent means what we think? A mediator, the one who take part to combine anything. कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो जोड़ने का काम करती है ना, एजेंट, दलाल, सिंपल कह सकते हैं. So here oxidizing means the agent that is responsible for oxidation. The agent that is responsible for oxidation is oxidizing agent. So in simple term, we can say any compound which is responsible. Any compound which is responsible for adding of oxygen or non-metals. Or second word we can say any compound which is responsible for removing of hydrogen. Okay, here I have written removing of hydrogen or removing of what? Any metallic compounds. It's called oxidizing agent. So here I have written the example. Here see what happens when Fe means ferrous react with oxygen. So as soon as the ferrous react with oxygen, it forms ferrous oxide. So what we are getting here? It is just getting added with oxygen. It is one condition. And another condition is either we remove the hydrogen or any metallic, okay, metallic compound. Clear? So just because of this, it is known as oxidizing agent. Just opposite of this, reducing agent. What is reducing agent? As I have already told you, agent means a mediator. The one who is just work as a mediator is agent. So any compound which is responsible for adding of what? Here we have added oxygen, but now here in reducing agent we will add hydrogen on the place of oxygen. So we can say any compound which is responsible for adding of hydrogen or any metallic compound, or we can say that removing of oxygen or any non-metallic compound is called reducing agent. So you must have an idea or a question. The question is, what is the difference between oxidizing agent and oxidation? So listen, oxidation is a process. It is a process in which oxygen is getting added. But if you are talking about oxidizing agent, a compound, an element which works to add. Are you getting me what I am saying exactly? Oxidation is a process, but oxidizing agent is a compound. Example, जैसे I am eating. तो eating is what? Eating is a process. But who is eating? I am eating. तो मैं agent हूँ क्या? और मैं काम क्या कर रहा हूँ तो खाने का. तो खाना process and agent I am the agent. So here oxidizing agent means compound can be called as agent, but if you are talking about oxidation, oxidation is a process. Clear? Same reducing agent. What is agent? So agent what? The one compound which is responsible for adding of hydrogen or metallic substances. And what is reduction? So you will say reduction is a process in which hydrogen is added, metallic compounds are added, and oxygen is removed. Clear? Now the next topic, what is neutralization reaction? So the word is enough to understand if you are talking about neutralization reaction. To become neutral. And we know neutral is such a state which is neither acidic nor basic. So whenever we just get react an acid with a base. What happens? We know that acid is sour in taste and bases are bitter, isn't it? So what happens when a sour thing is just added with a bitter? Means when an acid has one more property. It always forms H plus ions. Okay, H plus ion, and here basis forms OH minus ion. So basically it is called when H plus and OH minus combined together forms water. Okay, just because of it, when an acid react with a base, as a result both become neutral, and this reaction is called neutralization reaction. So this is the topic for today. Have a nice day. We will see you in the next class. Bye.